Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you all how to install and how to download and install Windows Movie Maker cracked version, the pro version, okay, for your desktop PCs. And after that, you guys can simply use this software. It's a beautiful software that you guys can use and utilize it for your purposes like video editing and all that kind of stuff. You can add different transitions, animations, and then you can add the title of the video and the credits of the video, and you can also add the text material within the video at any point. So after this video, I will create another video in which I will guide you how to use and how to understand the actual UI, the user interface of Windows Movie Maker. So what you guys have to do is just simply follow the link that I have pasted over here, and it will redirect you to the same page that I have. As you can see that I have a big box in front of me on my screen that actually says Windows Movie Maker crack.zip 25.5 MB file. So I can first of all I want to assure you that whatever file I will give you, it will be virus free. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this, that there will be some kind of virus and all that. So if you will use my files, then you have to be happy, you have to be happy that you have the virus free file, so you don't need to worry about this. Okay, moving towards the actual point, that is, you guys have to download this file by clicking on the big download button over here. When you will click on this, then the download process will start, and you have to wait for the download process, as I have already downloaded the file into my desktop because I don't want the video to be so lengthy, and I don't want you guys to wait a lot for this file. So just click on this and it will give you a file just like the one that I have on my desktop, Windows Movie Maker cracked. So what is the next step? The next step is you have to extract this file. Just simply click on this Windows Movie Maker cracked version and click on extract files and then click on OK. Once you will extract the files, you will have another folder in the same directory, or in the or at the same place where you have this raw file. Because if you will follow me, then you will have the folder on the same place. That actually you can see that I have Windows Movie Maker cracked folder. Just open this, and inside this you have Movie Maker cracked. Inside this you have a .exe file, .execution file, sorry. Let me show the file name extension. Okay, so Windows Movie Maker 2016.exe. So exe is actually executable Windows file that you guys can use to install any kind of software in your Windows PC, because actually the .exe file is the extension for your Windows PC softwares. Okay, so moving towards the next point, first let's see what we have in the crack folder. Inside the crack folder, as you can see, I have only one file, that is moviemaker.exe. Oh, that's so cool because I don't have to follow any kind of other stuff and all that. So just simply step back on the previous directory, and here you have Windows Movie Maker 2016 2016.exe file. Just right click on this and run as administrator, and obviously you want to allow this program to make changes because you want to install into your PC or your laptop, whatever. So just simply click on the yes button, and the installation process will start. A dialog box will appear in front of you in which you can see that it is asking you to proceed towards the next step. Yeah, it is safe. Just click on this next button and be sure that you have accepted the license agreement, and then click on this next button. And if you want to choose some other kind of location like D drive, E drive, or some other kind of drive, then you guys can simply click on this browse button and change the file as per your requirements. But I don't want to change the file installation path, so I just want to keep it as it is, because it is the software automatically gonna install my software, the Windows Movie Maker software, inside C drive, the programs files x86, the directory name program files x86 that you guys can see I have over here, C drive program files x86. Okay, so inside this it will create a new folder, Windows Movie Maker, and then it will start the installation. So I am clicking on the next, and then it is saying that select the start menu folder. Obviously I want to create the start menu folder because I want this software to be searchable from my start menus. As you can see that over here, you can see a big Windows icon. So just click on this, and here it is, or here you have all the softwares or applications that you have currently in your PC. So if I'm going to search for Windows Movie Maker, then I don't have anything except the suggestions or the folder that I just extracted on my desktop. So I'm clicking on the next button, and here additional icons that is the software is asking me for is create a desktop icon. Yes, exactly, I want a desktop icon because I want the software shortcut on my desktop over here. And create a quick launch icon. I don't want this, so just uncheck this and click on next button, and then click on install. And it will take few seconds to install, but it depends on the on the system, on the PC or laptop on which you are installing the software, because it depends how much RAM you have, how much capability in your PC is, that is able to process the software installation processes fastly or slowly. So as I have 8 GB RAM, so it processed very fastly, so it takes only 3 to 4 seconds. So now the installation wizard is saying that the software installation is complete, and if you want to launch this software, then click on this finish button and um, keep this check mark as it is. But I don't want to open this software because I want to crack it first, and then I want to use this software for my purposes and all that. So I'm gonna uncheck this and click on finish. As you can see that I have a Windows Movie Maker shortcut icon over here. So what next step that I have to take? I just have to crack this software. Okay, so by copying the crack file that is already placed inside the crack folder, and I will copy that file into the installation directory of my software where I have installed. If you are changing the default path, then your folder or the your installation path will be different. You have to keep it in your mind that you are actually following the proper path. If you have any issue about this, then just leave a comment and I will definitely guide you. It will be an honor for me. Okay, so proceeding towards the next step, what I have to do is just the installation shortcut that I just got after the installation process completion. So I'm clicking on this, and I'm choosing the menu from the, as you can see that there is a context menu over here, and I'm choosing open file location where this file is actually placed. As you can see, Windows Movie Maker actually have Windows Movie Maker, Movie Maker.exe file inside the installation path. Okay, so actually this is the main file that my crack, or the crack that is already in our folder, is gonna replace with. Okay, so we have to replace this file with our crack file. So just move this on a side a bit, and I can dock it on the right side, and I'm gonna choose I'm gonna open this folder, and I'm gonna dock this on the left side. So as you can see, I have both the screens in front of me, both the folders directories in front of me. Here is the actual file folder that actually contains the cracked file, and here the installation folder of my Windows Movie Maker. So I'm gonna open the crack folder and copy this movie maker.exe file, and I'm gonna place it inside this folder. And it's obviously it is going to ask me, do you want to replace this file in the destination? Yes, exactly, I want to replace this file in my destination. And once it says you will need the administrator permission, that's okay. You guys just simply have to click on the continue, and then it will proceed. And after that, what you have to do is just close your cracked folder, and then just simply remove this shortcut icon, and the file that we have just simply replaced on the destination folder, the installation folder. So just right click on this movie maker file and send to desktop create shortcut, and you have this Windows Movie Maker shortcut over here. And that's it, guys. We have installed Windows Movie Maker with proper crack, and it's for lifetime. You guys won't be having any kind of issue like, oh come on, my crack just expired and all that. So let's open this and see what we got in Windows Movie Maker. So when I click on this, actually it's gonna take a few time because it will show me the license agreement, and obviously I want to accept this and gonna say yes. And after this, you can see that in front of me there is a beautiful UI in the user interface of Windows Movie Maker in front of me. And here you can see we have different buttons like home, animations, visual effects, project, view, add photos, videos, and all that. And all, every ribbon contains all the unique things that will be very useful for your project. So I'm not going to discuss the software UI in this video. I will move towards the next video, and then I will guide you about each and every tab of this Windows Movie Maker, and I will guide you properly. So if you want to if you want me to create such kind of contents in future as well, then do like my video and leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel and support me. It will be very useful for me, and I will be very thankful to you. So you guys take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.